In this video, I will show you how to make a quick and delicious corn and egg drop soup. You will need 4 cups of chicken broth, 3 tablespoons of cornstarch, an egg white beaten slightly, and half cup of water to mix with the cornstarch. Mix it well, make sure there is no lump, and then a can of corn and some cilantro to garnish, and of course salt and pepper to taste. First, boil the chicken broth. Add cornstarch solution. Mix it well. Just pour it slowly to the soup. Then add the corn. Stir it gently for about 5 minutes in high heat. Then the soup will be clear, the cornstarch solution will clear up, and you wait until the soup is boiling before you add the egg white. When it's boiling, you can add the egg white slowly to the soup. Mix it. You want to add to the soup gently and make sure that the soup is boiling when you do that. To bring the soup to boil again, and add salt and pepper and the cilantro to garnish. And when it's boiling, turn off the heat and it's ready. This recipe makes 4 servings of soup, and each serving contains only 93 calories, 1 gram of fat. So if you want an extra serving, go ahead and help yourself because it is very low in calorie and fat content. Enjoy!